Welcome to Star Umberley. Today we're pointed vida talented actress Nicole. Nicole, it is pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you so much. I'm really to be here.
Nicole, we'd love to know more about school days. What was your favorite subject when you were a student?
Though my favorite subject was English. I loved reading and analyzing different languages words.
Interesting. Did you participate in an sport during your sport years?
Yes, I did. I was on the swim team. We were part of the school team and competed against other schools.
Mm. Tell us about your hobbies outside of school. What did you enjoy doing?
I was passionate about photography. I always correcting my camera with me and loved capturing special moments with my friends.
Was it a teacher who particularly influenced you?
Yes, my drama teacher, Mr. Johnson, she was the one who really inspired me to pursue my dream of becoming an actress.
How would you describe your classmate? Do you remember any interesting personalities?
We were a very close, knit group. I remember Sarah, who was incredibly great and always organized school events. There was also Tom, who was very funny and always made us laugh during class.
Nicole, was there anything you did like done during your school days?
To be honest, in didn't like math classes, I have I would found algebra problems very difficult, and I got really first during exams.
Thank you so much for sharing these memories with us, Nicole.
Part two. Now we have the honor of welcoming the classmate actress Melissa. Melissa, welcome to our show.
Thanks for having me. I'm very happy Lauren here.
Melissa, tell us about your school days. What was your favorite subject?
My favorite, I was fascinated with doing experiments in the lab and learning about the natural world.
Did you play any sports when you were in school?
Yes, I played volleyball. I won the team captain and went spent many hours training up class.
Did you have any special hobbies outside of school?
I loved music, played the piano, and was part of the school choir. We participated in many competitions.
Can you tell us about a teacher who influenced you?
My biology teacher, Mr. Porco, how a great inspiration is passion for since once contagious and head down method question and exploring the world around us.
What were your classmates like? Any particular personality you remember?
We had a very diverse group. I remember Emma, who was incredibly intelligent and always with to help others with their students. There was also Alex, who was very shy but had an amazing talent for drawing.
Melissa, was there anything you did like during your school years?
He did like oral presentation. He used to get very nervous, speak in public, which is ironic considering my current career.
Thank you for sharing this experience you use, Melissa.
Part 3. It's a pleasure to have the lovely Asterix Carla with us. Carla, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. I am happy to be here with you.
Carla, we'd love to want to know more about your school days. What what was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject was with how although history I love learning about different cultures and places.
Did you practice any sport when you were a student?
Yes, I did rhythmic gymnastics and participate in competition and spent many hours training.
Did you have an hobbies outside of school?
I was passionate about creating writing. I spent hours writing short stories and poetry. I even won some youth literary contests.
Tell us about a teacher who was especially important to you.
My literary teacher, Mr. Garcia, was very influential. She encouraged me to develop my creativity in writing and introduced my two many authors who are still my favorite today.
How would you describe your classmates and interesting personalities?
We have a very close group and remember Lucas, who was a computer genius and was always creating small programs and games. There was also Sophia, who had a great talent for music and playing several instruments.
Carla, was there anything you did like doing during your school days?
I didn't like PE class when we had to play team sports. I was cute, clumsy with the ball and felt very uncomfortable.
Thank you very much for sharing these memories with us, Carla.